Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of October in second shift. So we will start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. In question number 1, it is asked which of the following is a transparent object. As we can see here, out of these four options, thin layer of water is a transparent object. So our answer is option A. Next question, question number 2. In question number 2, it is said lunar eclipse occurs on. We know that lunar eclipse occurs on full moon day. So our correct answer is option B. Okay. Next question, question number 3. In question number 3, which of the following is not a natural light source? We can see lightning, volcanic eruptions, glowworms are natural and electric bulb is not a natural light source. It is an artificial light source. So our correct answer is option B. Next question, question number 4. We have to check which of the following statements are true and which are false. A shadow has no mass and it is not an object. This is a true statement. When a shadow is formed by a point-size light source, the umbra region of shadow is greater than its penumbra region. This is also a true statement. Next one is for reflection of light rays, angle of incidence is always equals to the angle of reflection. This is also a true statement. So our correct code is true, true and true. So option B is our correct answer. Next question, question number 5. In question number 5, there is a diagram given and it is said Radha, a student of 6th standard, goes to her school at 8 a.m. and comes back to home at 3 p.m. The distance of Radha's school from home is 13.25 kilometer. So distance between school and home is 13.25 kilometers. What will be the total distance in Radha's one round of home to school and school to home? So we have to calculate the total distance from one round of home to school and then again school to home. That will be 13.25 plus 13.25, which is equals to 26.5 kilometers. So correct answer is option D. Next question, question number 6. We have to match the column 1 with column 2. So here, 1 millennium, as we know that in 1 millennium, there are 10 centuries. So for P, I will write 3. 1 metric ton, we know that 1 metric ton is equals to 10 quintals. So I will write 1. And 1 decade, we know that in 1 decade, there are 10 years. So I will write 2. So correct code is 312. So option B is our correct answer. Next question, question number 7. In this question, there is a diagram given and it is asked which of the following is not correct about the image formed by reflection of light from plane mirrors. Okay, so we know that the image formed by plane mirrors are virtual. This is true. Image is of same size as object. This is also true. Image is laterally inverted. This is also true. Image is real. Image formed is real. This is not true. So our answer is option A. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad like award ceremony, result, please press the bell icon and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the chemistry portion of class 6. Let's see the question number 8. The question is, which of the following represent the correct sequence to obtain cotton fabric? Let's see the options. Option first is picking, ginning, spinning and weaving. Option B is first ginning, after that picking, spinning and weaving. Option C is spinning, picking, ginning and weaving. And option D is weaving, spinning, picking and ginning. Let's discuss this point. First, which of the following sequence represent the correct sequence to obtain the cotton fabric? Cotton fabric, firstly we get the cotton balls from the cotton plants by the picking process, and after that cotton balls converted into the cotton fiber, and that process is known as the ginning process. that cotton fiber then convert into yarn by the process of spinning, and finally that yarn is converted into fabric, and that process is known as weaving. So let's see the option. Option A is in option A, first is picking, second is ginning, third is spinning, and fourth is weaving. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is fill in the blank is man-made fiber which is synthesized in the laboratory by chemicals. The options are option A is jute, option B is silk, option C is nylon, and option D is cotton. So the question is fill in the blank is man-made fiber. Man-made fiber means we can say that the natural fibers are obtained from the nature and the man-made fibers are known as the synthetic fiber. The jute is obtained from the plants, silk is from the silkworm, and the cotton is obtained also from the plants. But nylon is a synthesized polymer which is a man-made polymer and synthesized in the labs. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is the hardest naturally occurring substance is option A is wood, option B is teeth, option C is stone, and option D is diamond. Option D is the right option because we know that the diamond is formed by the rigid 3D structure of carbon atom, and in that carbon atom or in that structure the carbon atoms are tetrahedrally arranged by the covalent bonding, and these covalent bonds are so strong. So because of that the diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Now let's see the next question. The next question is which of the following statement is or are true or false? Now let's see the first statement. Fibers are first converted into yarn by the process of knitting. No, this is completely a wrong statement. We know that fibers are first converted into yarn by spinning process. So the first statement is false statement. Now let's see the second statement. The second statement is the coconut fibers are used for making ropes and mats. This is completely true statement. The mesocarp part of the coconut generally used in formation of the ropes, mats and doormats, these types of the substances. Now let's see the third statement. The third statement is the cloth made from the stem fibers of flax plant is called rayon. No. The clothes made from the stem fiber of flax plants are known as the linen, not rayon. So this option is false statement. So the first statement is false, second is true, and the third is false. So false, true and false means option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. In the column first, P is stone, Q is pure water, and R is sandpaper. And now let's see in the column second. First is transparent, second is opaque, and third is rough material. Let's see the column first. Stone. We know that stone is an opaque material. We can't able to see through the stone. So it is an opaque material. So P goes with second option. Now let's see the second. Second is pure water. We know that pure water is a transparent substance and we can easily see, or we can easily, the light can pass easily through the pure water. So it is transparent. So pure water is a transparent material. So Q go with first option. Now the last is sandpaper. We know that sandpaper is a rough material. So P match with second option, Q match with first option, and R match with third option. So 2, 1, 3. So option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is When a wooden object or a plastic ball is placed in water, it floats. Wood and plastic are lighter, less denser than water, so they float on water. A fuming stone also floats on water. A piece of rock, a metal nail, or iron ball and a pin sink in water. This is because these objects are denser than water. Before we discuss why the object floats or sinks, let us recall what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object and volume is the space occupied by the matter. Density is defined as mass per unit. Now let's see the question. The question is fill in the blank in the water while fill in the blank floats on the water. Let's see the option. Options are option A is oil and stone. We know that oil floats on the water and stone sink in the water. So the option A is the wrong option. Now let's see the option B. Option B first is oil. We know that oil and wax both are float on the water. So the option B is also a wrong option. Now let's see the next. Fuming stone and ice both are float on the water. So option D is also a wrong statement. Now let's see the option C, iron nail. We know that iron nail is more denser than water, so it sink in the water, while oil have less density than water, so it floats on the water. So option C is the right option for this question. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology portion. Let's start first question for biology. Mohan is 11-year-old boy. He is suffering from a condition called obesity because all the time he take a type of food like mineral, protein, fat and vitamin. So, according to this situation, suffering from a condition that is called obesity. In obesity, so many different kind of bad habits include like the fat, sweet, junk food, unhealthy drink and rest at home. So, these according to question, fat is the right answer because excess amount of fat show obesity in body. In Mohan that suffering from that condition. So right answer is option C for this question. Next, 15th, swollen gland in neck and mental disability found in adult as well as children. These are the symptoms of deficiency of a gland present in neck. So according to this question, iron, no. Iodine is the right answer because thyroid gland present at the neck. Normal thyroid condition and goiter condition. So goiter condition is due to the deficiency of iodine. So our right answer is option B. Next one, amla is the richest source of amla is the richest source for vitamin C. Vitamin C is the right answer for this question. Amla is the richest source of vitamin C. Next question, a small white structure may have grown out of seeds is called. At the time of germination, white structure is developed, that is radical to root. So future root developed by the radical portion. So right answer for this question is option A, that is root. Next question. Statement, true or false statement. Vitamin D is synthesized when body is exposed to sunlight. We get calcium from milk and milk product. That is right. Vitamin D from sunlight. That is right. Rice alone can provide all necessary nutrient to body. No. So true, false. True, false. Option B. Option B is the right answer for these statements. True, false. Vitamin D from sunlight, that is right. Calcium from milk and milk product, that is right. True. And rice alone provide necessary nutrient. No, that is false. So true, false is the right answer for this question. Next. Wow. Next. Column first and second. Scavengers, frugivores, decomposers. First one is bacteria, and next one is vulture, and next one is chimpanzee. So scavengers, that are vulture example, and frugivores for chimpanzee. Frugivore mean eating fruit, depend on fruit. Decomposers, decompose complex structure into simple. Bacteria is the right answer for this. Now, P third, Q first, and R second. 3 to 1. 3 to 1 in option D is the right answer for this question. Next one is germination. Germination of seed. Begin when the seed absorb water, swollen and burst through the seed coat. All seed need water, oxygen, optimal temperature to germinate. That is right. And common example of seed germination is the sprouting of seedling from a seed. Now, first portion that is outside, that is radicle, future root. Next one is the plumule, that grow upward toward the up condition. Mean to say positive or negative from gravity. So plumule structure develop negative side of gravity. So radicle and plumule, root and shoot formation. Now according to question, after the root has grown, downward is small, downward, positive gravity, positive side toward the gravity. So grow upward, toward light. This shoot is known as. So root has grown downward, is small, shoot grow upward toward the light. This shoot is called, shoot mean outside from soil and negative from gravity. That is plumule. Plumule is the right answer for this question. This one is radicle. This one is plumule. Plumule grow upward toward the light and opposite from the gravity. So right answer is option B. These are the all questions from biology portion. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Continuing the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper, here I am to discuss part 4th of mathematics. Now let's start the first question of this part, that is question number 21. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So here we have to find out the total runs that is to be needed by Shekhar to complete his target, that is 10,000. For that, we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So here, let's subtract 6,980 from 10,000. So the difference is 3,020. So 3,020 are the runs that Shekhar needs more to complete his target. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 22. In this we have to choose the correct option. So here in these 4 options we can see that the numbers are arranged in the descending order, that is largest to lowest. So here let's check the option A. Here 571 is not greater than 847. So first option is not correct. In the second option, we have all the numbers arranged in a proper order. Now in the C option, we can see that 9801 is smaller than 25,751. So this option is also incorrect. Now in the D option, here it is 571 greater than 8,320, which is incorrect. So according to the question, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 23. In this question, we have to convert 1 billion into lakhs. So first we write down what is 1 billion. 1 billion is represented like this. We have to convert 1 billion to lakhs. So here 1 lakh is equal to so 1 lakh is written like this. Now what we have to do, we have to convert 1 billion into dash lakh, and we don't know how many lakhs are required to convert this 1 billion. So what we are going to do, we will simply multiply this so we have multiplied 10,000 by 1 lakh so that we can know how many lakhs are required for 1 billion. So here 10,000 lakhs are required to make 1 billion. Here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 24. In this question, which of the following numbers in Roman numerals is incorrect? Now we have to find out incorrect Roman numeral. So here in option 1, it is LX11. It means that L represent 50, X represent 10 and 1 represent 1 plus 1. So it is 62. Now this 100 minus 10 plus 1. According to rule, when smaller number is on the left hand side of the bigger number, then it is subtracted. So here the number is 90 plus 1, that is 91. Now the next is 100 minus 50, that is 50, which is not possible according to the rules. So option C is incorrect Roman numeral. Now we can check option D also. Here 50 minus 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is equal to 44. So according to the question, option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of the digit 2 in this number. So here we have to find out the place and the face value. So here place value of 2 is, here it is 20,000. Now face value of 2 is 2 And now we have to subtract place value and face value. So the difference between this is 19,998. So according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now in the 26th question, it is asked that what is the two consecutive whole numbers just preceding 85,10,001. So here we have to find out two consecutive preceding numbers. So here the original number is 85,10,001 minus 1 gives us 85,10,000. And the next number is, when we subtract 1 from 85,10,000, so the two preceding numbers are 85,10,000 and the next number is 85,09,999. So these two numbers are in the option A. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 27. Salim deposited rupees 25,000 in his saving bank account. Later he withdrew rupees 5,425 from it. How much money was left in his account? Now we have to find out how much money is left. So we are going to subtract 5,425 from 25,000. Here after subtraction, we get 19,575. So after subtracting, we get the leftover amount. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 28. Find the product of the greatest number of 5 digit. So greatest 5 digit number is 99999 and the smallest number of 4 digit. So we have to find the product. Finding the product, now the smallest 4 digit number is 00. So here after the multiplication we get 99999,000. So the number is 9,99,99,000. Here the correct option is option C. So according to question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 29. If A and B are integers, then A divided by B. First option is may or may not be an integer. Second is always an integer. C option is never be an integer and D is none of these. So let's find out. When A divided by B is, let's suppose A is 24 and B is 6. So after division, we get 4 here, which is a positive integer. Next, if we have 3 upon 4, then the number is in the decimal form. If the numbers are in the negative, it is positive. And let's take another example. So according to this 4 examples, we can conclude that A divided by B may or may not be an integer. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 30. When 0 is multiplied by any negative integer, their product will be. So 0 is multiplied by any negative integer, let's suppose -2, the result will be 0. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 31. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 43 degrees Celsius at the rate of 8 degrees Celsius every hour. It means every hour 8 degrees Celsius is lowering down. So we can represent this lower temperature by the negative sign, that is -8 degrees Celsius. What will be the room temperature 6 hours after the process begin? So we have to find out the room temperature after 6 hours. So let's calculate. -8 multiplied by 6 gives us -48 degree Celsius. It means -48 degree Celsius is the lower temperature. Now initial temperature was 43 degree Celsius plus -48 degree Celsius. So here we get -5 degree Celsius. So -5 degrees Celsius is the room temperature 6 hours after the process began. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 32. Find a pair of negative integers whose difference gives +6. Now we have to find out difference is +6 and pair of negative integers. So here out of these 4 options, only one option is having both the numbers in the negative form. So we have to find out the pair of negative integers only. So here we can easily identify that in option A is -3 -9. Let's find out the difference. So here it is +6 and these two numbers are in the negative form also. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 33. A line segment passing through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle is called diameter. Only a diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and whose endpoints lie on the circle. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 34. In the given figure, line L, M and N are called. So here line L, M and N are called congruent lines because 3 or more lines in a plane passing through a single point is known as congruent lines. So here option C is the correct answer. Now here in question number 35, the basic elements of a quadrilaterals are 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles, all of these. So here option D is the correct answer because in a quadrilateral we have 4 vertices, 4 angles and 4 sides. So these are the basic elements of quadrilateral. So here option D is the correct answer. Here the next question is question number 36. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Line AB is same as line BA. Yes, this is correct. Line segment AB is same as line segment BA. Yes, we can say that. Next is ray AB is the same as ray BA. No, this statement is incorrect because here the starting point is A and on B it is the extended line. So here A is the starting point and in the next representation, that is BA, here the starting point is B. So ray AB is not same as ray BA because their initial points are different. So this statement is false. Last D option is AB perpendicular to CD is same as CD perpendicular to AB. This statement is also true. So according to the question we have to find out incorrect statement, and here according to options we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 37. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So here we have to find out the co-prime numbers. Here in option A, 18 and 34. These two numbers are not co-prime because here the HCF other than 1 is 2. Now here in the next B option it is 30 and 415. So this is also not a co-prime number because here other than 1 we have a common factor 5. Now in the next we have 17 and 68. So here also these two numbers are not co-prime because other than 1 we have 17 here as a common factor, and the last option is 15 and 37. So this option is a co-prime number. So here 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. So according to the question we can say that option D is the correct answer because these two numbers have common factor, that is 1. Now the next question is question number 38. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 2 and 1456 respectively. If one of the number is 112, determine the other number. We have to find out the other number. We can find it out by using the formula, and the formula is HCF multiplied by LCM, that is equal to product of two numbers. So here we are going to put the value 2 multiplied by 1456, that is equal to 112, and let's take the unknown number Vx. So here to find out the unknown number x, we have to calculate this, and after calculation we get, so here the value of x is 26. It means the other number is 26. So according to the option we can say that option A is the correct answer. So here option A is 26. That is the correct one. Now the next question is question number 39. A school has 3 sections of class 6. They need to have enough books in the class library so that they can be distributed equally in the 3 sections. What is the minimum number of books required if the number of students in section A, B and C are 30, 32 and 36 respectively? So here we have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers to find out the total number of books required by these 3 sections. So here 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 32 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So here the common is 2 and nothing else. So the LCM of these two numbers is 2 multiplied by 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 so this is equal to 1440. So the LCM of these 3 numbers 30, 32 and 36 is 1440. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Now in the next question, question number 40, it is in a morning walk 3 persons step off together. The steps measuring 80 cm, 85 cm, 90 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that they can cover the distance in complete steps? So here also we have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers, that is 80, 85 and 90. So the LCM of 80, 85 and 90 is 122 meter 40 centimeter, and this we can also write it as 12,240 centimeters. So we can write the answer in the two forms, in the meter form also and in the centimeter form also. So here, according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer, as we can write the answer in the two forms or in the two ways. That is 122 meter 40 centimeter and 12,240 centimeter. So option C is the correct answer. Now the next question number 41. Match the column. Here x divided by 0 is not defined. Next we have minus a multiplied by b equal to b multiplied by minus a. It means it is a commutative property. Next we have x multiplied by y plus z is equal to x multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. That is distributive property. So here 2, 3, 1 is the correct sequence. So 2, 3, 1 is in the option A. Here option A is the correct answer. Now in the 42 question we have to again do the match the following. Now here in column 1 we are having number and in column 2 we are having a expanded form. So let's match the correct expanded form. So the correct expanded form of 47,300 is this. Next is 29,805 and next one is 65,740. So here the sequence is 2, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 3 is in the B option. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 43. In question number 43 we have to do again the match the column, and by using property we can easily solve this question. So here 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. So here we can use a distributive property. 297 is common, 17 plus 3 is 20. So 297 multiplied by 20 is equal to 5,940. So this is the correct answer. Now here 54,279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 multiplied by 54,279. Here 54,279 is common and 92 plus 8 is 100. So 54,279 multiplied by 100 is this. That is 54,27,900. Now the last one is 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 multiplied by 69. So here we are subtracting 69 from 169 and we get 100. So here the answer will be 81,26,500. So the correct sequence is 312. Here 312 is in the D option. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 44. Which of the following statement is true or false? We have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So for this, what we have to do? 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So first statement is true. Next is the smallest negative integer is not defined. This is also true. Third is 0 is greater than every non-negative integer. It means non-negative means positive integer. So here 0 is not greater than positive integer. This statement is false. So the sequence is true, true and false. Here true, true, false is in the D option. So D option is the correct answer. Now the next is question number 45. Which of the following is true or false? Then again we have to find out true and false statements. Let's start first statement. 4 points are collinear if any 3 of them lie on the same line. So this statement is false. Now the next point is the minimum number of point of intersection of 3 lines is 1. So this statement is also false. The minimum number of point of intersection of 3 line is 0 because 3 lines can be parallel. So here the minimum number of point of intersection of 3 lines is 0, not 1. Third is 2 different lines can be drawn passing through 2 given points. So here this statement is also false. If 2 points are given to us, that is A and B. So from these 2 given points only 1 line can be drawn. So this statement is also false. So here all the 3 statements are false. So according to the question, option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 46. Which of the following statement is true or false? Again we have to find out which statement is true and which is false. Now let's start with the first statement. All numbers divisible by 18 are also divisible by 9. Yes, this statement is true. All the numbers which are divisible by 18 are also divisible by 9. Now the next is a number is divisible by 35 if it is divisible by both 7 and 5. Yes, this statement is also true. And if a number is divisible by 7 and 5, then it is divisible by their product also. So here second statement is true. Now the third statement. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 5 and 3. So this statement is false. A number is divisible by 6 only and only if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So here the sequence is true, true, false. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 47. Question number 47 is based on the information that is given to us. Ritesh and his wife book seats H13 and H14 for a show. They ordered some snacks from the menu below. Burger 170, cold drink 180, popcorn 190, nachos rupees 200 and water bottle of rupees 40. Now altogether they spent 1280 including the cost of tickets. So this information is useful for question number 47. Now let's solve question number 47. What is the total cost of snacks if they order cold drink and nachos? So the cost of cold drink is 180 and cost of nachos is 200. So 180 plus 200 is equal to 380 rupees. Here option A is the correct answer. Now question number 48. In question number 48, we have to use the same information to solve it. If Ritesh and his wife order every snack one time, then the price of ticket is. So we have to find out the total costing of ticket now. First, we are going to find out the total amount of snacks as they ordered every snack one time. 170 plus 180 plus 190 plus 200 plus 40, that is equal to 780, and the total expenditure is 1280. Now we subtract 780 from 1280. So here we get rupees 500. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 49. Now here the information is given to us. The students were asked to draw a closed figure with few points inside the figure, few points outside the figure and few points on the boundary of the figure. One of the child drew a figure like this. So here we have to use this information to find out the answer of question number 49. Here, where do point C, Z, M lie in the figure? C, Z, M lies in the interior of the figure. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 50, and this is the last question of this part. In this, it is asked that which points lie in the exterior of the figure. So here S, O, R and Q. These are the 4 points which lie outside the figure. So here option C is the correct answer. I hope you all understood all the solutions of this part. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 29 October 2023 in shift second. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Find the missing number which will complete the given series. So series is 8, 4, 8, 24, 96, 480 and find the missing number. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the series is 4 to 8. It means 4 multiplied by 2, it means 8. Now 8 multiplied by 3, it means 24. Now 24 multiplied by 4, it means 96. Similarly 96 multiplied by 5, it means 480. 480, now 480 multiplied by 6. First number multiply by 2, now multiply by 3, now multiply by 4, now multiply by 5 and similarly now multiply by 6. So 480 multiply by 6, it means 0. 48 multiply by 6, it means 288. So 2880 is the next missing term of this series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Find the missing number which will complete the given series. So series is 92, 90, 87, 82, 75 and find the next missing number. So first find the pattern of the series. So pattern of this series 92 to 90, it means minus 2. Now 90 to 87, it means minus 3. Now 87 to 82, it means minus 5. Now 82 to 75, it means minus 7. So pattern of the question is consecutive prime number will be subtracted. So next 75 minus next prime number is 11. 2, next prime number is 3, now next prime number is 5, now next prime number is 7, now next prime number is 11. So next is 75 minus 11, it means 64. So 64 is the next term of this series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Which of the following set of letters will continue the given series? So series is KTJ, MSK, ORL, QQM. So first taking first alphabet of each term. So taking first alphabet of each term. So K, M, O, Q and next is missing. So find the pattern of the question. So pattern of this series is K means 11. Position of K in English alphabet is 11. Now position of M in English alphabet is 13. O means 15. Q means 17. So pattern is 11 plus 2. Now 13. 13 plus 2 it means 15. 15 plus 2 it means 17. Similarly 17 plus 2 it means 19. So 19 it means S. Position of S in English alphabet is 19. So first letter of the missing term is S. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of each term is T. Now next is S. Now next is R. Now next is Q. And next is missing. So position of T in English alphabet is 20. S means 19. R means 18. Q means 17. So pattern is 20, 19, 18, 17. Similarly, next is 16. -1, -1, -1, -1. Now next is -1. So 16. 16 means P. Position of P in English alphabet is 16. So second letter of the missing term is P. Now taking third letter of the each term. So third letter of the each term is J, K, L, M, and next is missing. Position of J in English alphabet is 10. K means 11. L means 12. M means 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now next is 14. So 14 means N. So position of N in English alphabet is 14. So third letter of the missing term is N. So missing term is SPN. So here option D is the correct missing term of the given series. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Sunil walks 15 meters towards north. Then he turns left and walks 10 meters. Again he turns left and walks 15 meters. Then he turns right and walks 20 meters. How far is he now from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. North, and this is east, this is north, this is west, and this is south. And there are 4 cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So according to question, first Sunil walks 15 meters towards north. Sunil walks 15 meters towards north. Then he turns left. Then he turns left and walks 10 meters and walks 10 meters. Again he turns left. Again he turns left and walk 15 meters and walk 15 meters. Then he turns right. Then he turns right and walk 20 meters and walk 20 meters. How far is he from? Is he now from the starting point? So let's suppose A is the starting point of Sunil and B is the end point of Sunil. So find the distance between A and B. So A and B both will be in same line because A walks 15 meters towards north and A walks 15 meters towards south. It means A and B will be in the same line. So find the distance between AB. So AB means 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10. It means 30 meters. So distance between starting point and end point is 30 meters. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. If east becomes northeast, northeast becomes north, and so on, then what will southwest becomes? So ray diagram, according to ray diagram of direction, this is north, this is east, this is south, this is known as west, and this is known as northeast, this is known as southeast, southwest, and this is northwest. According to question, east, now east becomes northeast. east becomes northeast. And northeast becomes, where is northeast? Northeast becomes north. Northeast becomes north, and so on. So opposite of north, here is south. And 90 degree right of north known as east, and opposite of east known as west. So then what will southwest known as southwest? Here is southwest known as south. So here correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer of this question, because southwest known as south. Now, so question number 56. In a row of 13 people, Pradeep is sitting 463rd place from the left and 531st place from the right, and find out the total number of people in this row. So in a row, position of Pradeep from the left end is 463. Now position of Pradeep from the right end is 531st. Now find the total number of people in this row. So find the total number of people in this row. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Pradeep is 463 plus right position of the Pradeep is 531 minus 1. So 463 plus 531 is equals to 994 minus 1. So 994 minus 1, it means 993. So 993. So there are 993 people in this row. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 57. If plus denotes multiply denotes divide denotes minus, and minus denote plus. So then find the value of the given expression. So expression is 48 multiplied by 16 plus 9 divided by 3 minus 6. So according to question, 48 multiply denotes divide. So 48 divide 16 plus denotes multiply 9. Now divide denotes minus 3. Now minus denote plus 6. So find the value of the given expression. So 48 first divide the numbers. So 48 divided by 16, it means 3 multiply by 9 minus 3 plus 6. Now multiply the numbers. So 3 multiply by 9, it means 27 minus 3 plus 6. 27 minus 3, it means 24. Now 24 plus 6, it means 30. So 30 is the value of the given expression. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. A transparent sheet X with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. Find a figure from the options as to how the pattern would appear when the sheet is folded along the dotted line. So find the folded figure of the sheet X. When the given image is to be folded along the dotted line, then the image will look like as follows. So it means option C is the correct folded image of the sheet X. So right answer is option C. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. Select the correct voter image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So find the voter image of S, T, 9, 3, Y, L, 6, 5 and E. So find the voter image of the given combination of letters and number. So first find the voter image of S. So voter image of S look like as follows. Now find the voter image of T. So voter image of T look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 9. So voter image of 9 look like this. Now find the voter image of 3. So voter image of 3 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of Y. So voter image of Y look like this. Now find the voter image of L. So voter image of L look like this. Now find the voter image of 6. So voter image of 6 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 5. So voter image of 5 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of E. So voter image of E look like as follows. So this is the correct voter image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So here option A is the correct answer. So option A is the correct voter image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So option A is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. Select the correct mirror image of the given combination of numbers, alphabets and symbols if the mirror is placed at the line AB. So this is the mirror. So first find the mirror image of S, because S is near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of S. So mirror image of S look like this. Now find the mirror image of U. So mirror image of U look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of has. So mirror image of has look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of 8. So mirror image of 8 look like this. Now find the mirror image of 7. So mirror image of 7 look like this. Now find the mirror image of 4. So mirror image of 4 look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of I. So mirror image of I look like this. Now find the mirror image of R. So mirror image of R look like as follows. So this is the correct mirror image of the given combination of the letters, numbers and symbols. So here option B is the correct mirror image of the given figure. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.